Hey there YouTube, what's up with Flaming Skull Gaming here, and wow, I was kicked by Dr. AFK, the pizza poo poo, but as you can see, I'm on the Netflix for another server review, and today, it's the Nexus, ASF Jerome and Mitch or the Beijing Canadian server, and so let's go ahead and get started. On the Nexus, you have your wardrobe, and one moment, you can pick different hats, different shirts, but I don't have next side exchange, so. And then you can take off all your hats. So I usually use the black hat because I like black hats, and it blends in. But anyways, and then you can do player visibility, premium only though, and then VIP only, and then you can do game selectors. So each game has Battle Dome, Capture the Flag, Survival Games, Capture the Wool, and TNT and Time Bomb. So they have special things like today is Monday, I think. No. Well, I don't know what day it is today, but so they have like Free Class Friday, which is in Capture the Flag, and you can pick any class you want. And Mutation Monday, which is every Monday you can mutate, because usually you have to donate to be able to mutate. And then Battle Dome is your normal Battle Dome, mine, kill, break obsidian, whatever you gotta do to win. Capture the Wool, capture the flag, except there's 3 wools. It's pretty popular. Time Bomb, I've never actually played Time Bomb, but it is so basically it's kind of like One in the Chamber, I think. Yeah, it's kind of like one in the Chamber. Anyways, guys, this has been the Nexus MC, and yeah. So please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like, comment. I know this has been a really short video, but I will post another one later. Thanks.